Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Baking Christmas Cheer Mega Bundle. This Mega Bundle includes the collection kit, a solids pack, ephemera, frames and tags, chipboard, enamel dots, and puffy stickers. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this Christmas-inspired collection brings sweet holiday warmth and homemade cheer to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking cookie exchanges, family baking days, or treasured recipes, this collection helps you preserve the memories that make the season so special. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. This Mega Bundle also includes a coordinating solids pack. We've used several of our favorite elements to create the embellishments for this collection. Featuring baking-inspired illustrations, festive icons, and versatile patterns, these tools allow you to add layered detail, dimension, and a custom touch to every project. Just imagine the things you could create.